Fellas, if you're on the internet, you got a girlfriend, you're not allowed to like no more girls' pictures, no more. Your subscription of liking pictures is over. That's it. Especially if she look good and she ain't got no damn clothes on. Shit, even if she got clothes on, it don't matter. I don't care if she in a hospital bed wearing a triple fat goose and she says she just beat cancer. Don't click on the damn picture. I know to you, it look like, nice picture, friend. Like, all right. But to your girl, it look like, now your girl mad looking at your dumb ass like, oh, so you trying to wait for this bitch's hair to grow back so you can fuck. And these new bitches will start following your girl, and they start liking her pictures. Your girl will get all fucking paranoid and suspicious and shit, go to her page, and then she can see all the dumb shit that you done liked on this girl page. My advice, just like it in your mind. Liked it. Just like how the Christians do. Maintain your relationship and stay the fuck out of trouble. Focus. So right now, we're at T-Ball. We want to dine and dash. And this little girl is afraid to run out of the restaurant. When you don't have money, you eat the food and then you run out the restaurant. Get my child ready. Getting my child ready. She's getting ready to get strapped in. Mom's ready. Okay. This is not my first rodeo. This is not my first. I feel like about to cry. She think we're gonna record. Are you slow? Okay. What you mean no? We gotta do this. Grab the food. She's like how she's scared.
Then we gotta run out.
You gotta run out, alright? Why is it scared?
I'm making the spot hot.
You making it hot, okay? Oh, go, Kate, go, run! She's getting left. All right, first video, 2018. What's up, man? We're gonna dedicate this one to the ladies, man. Happy New Year. Ladies, we love your hair. Okay, we love your hair. Every style you get, the faux locks, fox locks, whatever they called. Lace fronts, we love it. We just gonna need your help on please mind the amount of loose hair in the bed, okay? We are tired of waking up as men, as grown-ass men, with hair in the crack of our ass. It's very disturbing. You are violating an intimate part of my body that should not be touched. I feel like you are waiting till I fall asleep and you spreading my butt crack and you putting the hair in my ass. I don't like that. We don't like that, and the shit needs to stop, okay? You can't have a good day after you done got in the shower and you pulled a 22-inch strand of Malaysia out the crack of your ass. You can't have a normal day after that. So please, we need you to stop the shit and just stay out my booty, all right? Stay out my booty. Stay out my booty. What are you doing? It's like, no, look, this is my last video of 2017, man. I want to use this time to tell you guys that I appreciate y'all, man. All my supporters, man. Thank y'all so much, man. Whether if you're a supporter from back in the day, back when I had hair, or if you just started supporting me an hour ago, man, I appreciate y'all, man, so much, man. It took you to, put somebody else on to Desi to see who I was, and I appreciate that, man. And I'm happy, man, and I'm smiling, man, because a lot of y'all are asking me, like, what's the next movie or video or TV show that you're going to be on? And at this point, I don't know. But the sky's the limit, man, and that shows that you guys have a lot of confidence in me, man. You got a lot of faith in me, man, and I'm not going to let y'all down. I'm going to keep working hard, keep y'all laughing, man, and stay consistent with what I'm doing, man. But I just want to tell y'all I thank y'all, man. I want y'all to have a safe and happy New Year, man. Make sure y'all out here having a good time. Wear clean underwears, man. Seriously, man. Peace.